Oh, now I'm recording. So this is a packet that I actually got from ecstuning. It's a catch can for my 2010 Audi A3 Quattro. TFSI engine. I believe the engine code is a CBFA or a CCBA. I have to check, but this is the entire catch can that I bought from ecstuning. No, I'm not sponsoring them, but I am doing an unboxing because it's pretty cool. Let's start off with opening this shit.
And this was a very expensive catch can too. This was really not
the cheap catch can. This is actually a very expensive one. As you can probably see right there. Let me see if I can show you guys. $550. This is the 034 catch can kit. So this pretty much has everything that you need. It brings all the bolts, all the screws, everything. Okay. I believe this is the hardware. Yeah, this is the hardware. To relocate the to locate the catch can on the side. Oh, and it actually the package that I got actually brought the coolant. So when I take off this is actually for the radiator that I got. So this actually came in here and not actually over there. So meaning that stuff that I probably just got, this is actually for the radiator that I bought, which is really weird that it came in this package and not in the other package, but whatever, as long as I get it. But this is 3 liters of the coolant for when I change the radiator, and I'm assuming this is the kit for the radiator as well. Nevertheless, oh, I got a special gift. I don't drink wine, but alright. Would have been nicer if I would have gotten $100 from spending it on them, but whatever. Okay, first of all, this was already open. I didn't open this. Okay, let's take this out of here. Let's put this right here for now. Got this, boom, pow, pow, and it has a certificate for 034 right here. 034 Motorsport, assembled by, I can't read those initials. Worked order 11/09/2020. Awesome. Now, 034 has a lot of good stuff. To be honest, they're actually really good. They're really cool. So this is pretty much the specs. So I got mine is a 2009 to 2014 Audi A3. I don't think it matters which A3. I'm pretty sure they all have the TSI engines or the TFSI engines. They're all the same. But let's open this up. See what we got here. Ooh. Ooh. I like want to go and put it now. Ah, look at that. Nice packaging and everything too. Brand new. So this goes located right next to the coolant reservoir. It goes located around there. The screw goes in here, and then you pretty much bolt it on. These are the big boys right here. So these are pretty much what are gonna go connected essentially from this to the PC valve, PC valve, which is located in here. I really don't want to take it out, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Which would be this one. 34. I love how this looks. This looks really nice. Yo, and it's it's still. It's not plastic like the one that I got. This shit is well done. As you can see, it doesn't bring with this. It doesn't come with the sealer, but you can just use the one that you had in your current vehicle. I think that should work perfectly fine. You do get the screws to screw it down and stuff. If you're missing any screws from the other one or anything like that, which I'm missing actually a screw from my other PCV valve. So installing this should be relatively easy. We got the adapters, so pretty much I believe this goes to the can in the bottom, and this is to pretty much, you know, whenever you're gonna release the old fluid that's kept inside the reservoir. And I guess this is the adapter to make it stay. I believe so. I'm not really too sure. This is my first time really opening one and unboxing one and showing one and actually installing one. So I don't believe that there's anything else. Isn't they sent in a big ass one of these for some reason? Oh, it's probably like to hold the big lines down to something. But this is pretty much it. I don't really want to take it out of the packaging, but damn, this thing is good. This thing is there's no chip shit. No wonder it was expensive. I shouldn't. This shit too. These things are built. That's pretty much it for the opening video for this. I could show you guys the actually I'm actually gonna show you guys the radiator that I actually have right next to me. I already unboxed it and everything, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways because you guys probably like interested in it. So I'll close this up. And I will bring the radiator, which is this right here. Now this radiator, guys, this radiator is dope. Yo, when I put this on and you guys see like the difference between the OEM and this one, the performance one, oh, you guys are gonna go crazy. It's not a humongous crazy ass difference, but like it looks better, and you can tell it's gonna look nice. But this is it. This is the performance radiator. And this thing is built really good. So you can probably see like the welds. They're really nice, really firm, really, you know, not bad at all. Because usually you guys, you know, you usually get like a off-brand something and there's always like a leak or something like that. I really hope I don't get a leak or anything like that with this one. I doubt it. It looks really good. I like the ECS in the front. It's really cool. I believe this is for the I don't know if it's called a condenser or it's like a little mini radiator that goes in the front. I don't know if it's for that or something else. We got the little pipes entries and clamps and all that stuff. The clamp holes right here. We got the screws where it was gonna go screwed down to here, and here on the side too. And I really can't wait to put this on. It's gonna look like I was really interrupted. Okay, so with this on, it should improve my car not overheating. And my car doesn't overheat anyways, but you know, you always want to be careful. Besides that, I'm on a stage 2+, so I really need to be careful. And my car really be spitting flames and all that stuff, so this could potentially help it cool down, or potentially just not let it get too hot for its inconvenience. or convenience, whatever you want to say it. But yo, this thing is racing. I love this thing. Can't wait to put it on. I'm not gonna put it on soon, just because the cold. I could go to a shop and then we can have them install it. But I like showing you guys the process of how it's done and everything like that, just in case you guys want to do it yourself or you guys want to order it. So it's really cold out here, so that's why I haven't done it. But probably in a couple months, that's when I'll be able to install it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. You guys have a good one.